Okay, so it's finally arrived. So it's a beautiful cover. Look at that. All that lovely gold on there. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I've been so excited waiting for this. And now it's arrived, we can do a little flip through. So we go onto the first page and you've got all your contents with everything to expect in there. And there's a little bit of an introduction that Kate gives you a bit of background history about herself. And then we've got is what is mixed media, so an explanation on that and some little pieces that she's done there. And then her inspiration, where does she get her inspiration from? And there's all ideas where you can get your inspiration from. And then we've got a list of materials, which I find is really helpful if you're not quite sure what to get. Obviously, Kate has tested out all these materials and will give you an in-depth what to look for. And we've got masking supplies, we've got varnishes, we've got then selecting a colour palette. So she gives you an idea of how to mix colours, and she does have this lovely lush colour palette here. So it just helps you when you're preparing for your pictures, and we've got some lovely bits and bobs here, so you can see all the colours she likes to use. Really fan of her colour mixing practices. And then we've got some little pieces where it states how to do some mark making, and there's a mark making directory in there, which is great because you can refer back to it. A little bit about your masking your borders. And then she comes on to some collage pieces, absolutely divine pieces. So this really does inspire you to get your paper out, get your paints out, and giving these exercises a go. Really comprehensive step-by-step guide, so you're not going to fail with these. You're just going to have a wonderful time because you can follow her guidelines and just make a beautiful picture. So that's what I love about these books, is that it's just so easy to follow. And then there's more inspiration and some more collages. Again, step-by-step guidance on how to create these. And then we are going on and more inspiration, and then there is some ways of making texture on your pages, which I think is really interesting. So she gives you all the techniques, what you need to do, step-by-step guides with all the materials, the colour choices, etc. And then how to compose a picture using all of these texture making implements. Beautiful book. And then we've got patchwork. There's a little bit of patchwork going on here. Bit of an autumnal theme. And then another leaf here, different colours. You can see a border that she's made, which is really pretty. Some landscapes. And again, materials, colour choices, step-by-step guide. How to put the paint on. How to do your mark making. And then another piece for more inspiration. So this book has got plenty of exercises for you to do. It's going to be fantastic to try some of these out. It really helps with inspiration. So we've got some printmaking, and I've done some printmaking myself. How to make your own printmaking accessories. So she gives you a step-by-step guide so you can make your own, and it's simple printing from objects that she's found, and then what she's made from this printmaking technique. So some lovely little pieces here, really interesting. Again, step-by-step guide, what you need to have in your kit. But what you need to remember is you don't need to use all of the same things that Kate does, but she obviously gives you a comprehensive guide, and she has tried and tested all of these things, so you know they're going to be good. So we've got a botanical print here. She's printed some leaves onto pages. We've got some lino cut information here, and then some different ways to add embellishments onto your pages, and again step-by-step guides, the tools that you need, the method, and some really nice little exercises to do. So if you haven't already got this book, there is a link at the bottom of this page where you'll be able to get this book. I know that a lot of you have said that your book is on the way, or you've already got that. So yeah, it'd be really interesting to hear what exercises you've tried or what you're going to try. I've tried this one. Really, really happy with the outcome of that. And I'm just so excited to try. Oh, there's a bit of stitching here. I've done some stitching on some of my watercolor. So yeah, if you were into those videos, then have a look at Kate's book and you'll see some exercises there, some pretty little exercises where you can add some stitching onto your pages. And then we've got a little bit about Kate here, her acknowledgement, and this is a really good page where it states her recommended brands. So yeah, we've got an index, and that's it. What a wonderful, wonderful book. At the back, we've got David and Charles. These must be the publishers, and these are the books that they have out as well. So you have some information there. If you get through Kate's book, you think, well, what shall I do next? Well, then there are some other books for you to try at the back here. So I hope you've enjoyed that flip through. I hope you get to try some of these. They are so fun. They look so fun to do. I can't wait to try these, and have a great day. Okay, see you soon.